Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by establishing scale and mood. Create a 3000 by 2000 canvas at 300 dpi and pick a 16-bit mode if your software supports it. Paint a sky-to-water gradient with a large soft brush, laying down the primary horizon line and massing dark ocean shapes. Use low opacity strokes so colors blend smoothly. Once done, lock that base layer and set a new layer for values. This lets you develop depth without losing the initial atmosphere. Now sculpt the ocean's motion by blocking in wave volumes using a textured mid-size brush. Push strokes along the swell direction to imply flow. Once shapes read clearly, switch to a smaller hard brush for foam and sharp crest highlights. Emphasize edges that catch light. Blend selectively to preserve texture, and add wind streaks and spray with a scatter brush. Lower flow for distant spray, higher flow for foreground. Make sure to alternate layer. Blend modes to test luminosity versus op. Finish by refining color shifts. Cool the deep shadows and warm the rim lights to enhance contrast, using selective color or curves adjustments. Sharpen foreground details with a crisp brush or a subtle high-pass layer, and reintroduce soft atmospheric haze on a separate overlay to sell depth. When satisfied, flatten a copy for export and save the layered file. If you see banding or clipped highlights, reduce contrast, add subtle noise, or switch to 16-bit until artifacts disappear. This usually fixes posterized gradients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.